Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this update on Pepe. We're going to do a full update because right now the market structure for Pepe is actually quite interesting. What you'll see, and we talked about this earlier, and since then the market structure hasn't really changed that much. Because basically what you see right now is that Pepe has this huge support level between 10,500 and 10,000. It's a big psychological level. It has several strong Fibonacci levels in there, including the 0.5 and a 0.382 of the entire move up. So what we're seeing right now is that there is more bearish pressure for Pepe for the last week or so, week and a half, from this top right here at 13,500. But that bearish pressure is pushing the price down. You can see that right here. We're making lower highs and the market structure really is something like this. So that is the truth. But Pepe also still has that major support. So it's by far not game over. And that is what makes it interesting, because this practically means that we're going to get a breakout at some point of time. And breakouts mean good trades you can take. So we'll do a full update. Right now, we see that Bitcoin is still very strong. Like, we might see some bearish momentum coming from Bitcoin. I wouldn't say that would be the end of the world. But all right, so Bitcoin pretty strong right here. Pepe not so strong, and I do think that Pepe in the short term will respect this market structure and therefore will test this level right here around 10,000. Now, Pepe itself, what it needs to really get a bullish breakout, because I think most of you want a bullish breakout, what it needs is momentum. And here you can see the momentum, or the volume / the open interest over the last week. And what you'll see is that has only really decreased since the 30th of October, which is right here, when it's still pushed up a bit. So that has decreased. So at this moment, I would actually say that it's most likely that Pepe will just follow this market structure down, and that it's more likely that at some point of time $10,000 or 10,000 will break as a support, which will cause Pepe to drop down even lower towards the support level right here between 9,000 and 8,500. Unfortunately, but I'm only saying that because the market structure right now is bearish, and then like what would help is if we would have some indication that market structure could break. But no, we're seeing that the momentum is also still decreasing, which is also a bearish confirmation. So that combination of a bearish market structure technically, and then momentum that is not increasing at all, if you go to the daily time frame, like, it's still the same. It's practically at the same area, same levels as it was yesterday. So that combination leads me to believe that a scenario like this, even though it's probably not going to be a huge crash all of a sudden today, but a scenario like this looks most likely. So yeah, those are my thoughts. I mean, it is possible that the situation will change. I mean, if for some reason Bitcoin breaks above 35,000, which is a possibility, don't get me wrong, it really is. So if it breaks above that, and then the open interest for Pepe starts growing, or the volume is way easier to check. But if that starts growing, then the situation changes, all right? And then Pepe will perhaps be able to break out of its main resistance at 12,000 and rally back up to 13,000 and potentially 14,000. So I'm not saying that is not possible anymore at all, but I am saying that at this moment, that really does not look likely. So that's my full analysis on Pepe. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Lastly, I also want to tell you that I have my own Signals group. It's profitable. The results are published every month. You can also check that out in the free Telegram and Discord groups. So if you want to get some profitable trades while becoming a better trader for yourself as well, check that out. In the links you'll also find, or on my Patreon, you'll also find my Cilinix Premium group right here, which has amazing value as well and is way more accessible in terms of price. So there's something for everybody if you want to make some more profits and becoming a better trader. But links to that will be down in the description. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.